Ever wonder why bees buzz around your garden and why they're so crucial for our ecosystem? The answer lies in their role as nature's top pollinators. Through pollination, bees contribute to the growth of our favorite fruits, vegetables, and flowers. But they're under threat, facing challenges like habitat loss, harmful pesticides, and climate change. These tiny creatures play a big role in maintaining the natural balance. Without bees, our gardens would be a lot less colorful and our plates a lot less diverse. So, how can you make your garden a haven for these vital pollinators? Let's delve into the world of bee-friendly plants. Bees love a variety of flowers, herbs, and shrubs. Take lavender, for instance. Not only does this plant add a splash of color and a soothing fragrance to your garden, but its nectar-rich flowers are also a favorite among bees. Then, there are the towering sunflowers. Their large, bright yellow blooms are like a beacon for bees, offering an abundant food source. Don't forget about herbs like rosemary. This hardy perennial not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also attracts bees with its small, bluish flowers. Remember, it's not just about planting the right flowers and shrubs. Avoiding pesticides is crucial. These chemicals can harm bees, disrupting their essential role in our ecosystem. By choosing bee-friendly plants, you're not only beautifying your garden, but also contributing to the survival and prosperity of bees. Now that you know how crucial bees are to our ecosystem and how to attract them to your garden, it's time to act. By planting bee-friendly plants and creating a safe environment, you can make a significant impact. Every flower planted, every safe haven created, contributes to a healthier environment for our buzzing friends. Imagine your garden buzzing with life, contributing to a healthier planet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and insights. Together, we can make a difference for our buzzing friends and our ecosystem.